Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Exit Log for a Call of Duty and the best settings to lower your ping, reduce packet loss, and improve your overall gaming experience. So, if you want to try Exit Log with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So, let's get started. First, you have to open Exit Log and log into your account. And once you're inside the application, go to the connection and search for Call of Duty. Now there's a different type of Call of Duty. We have a Call of Duty Warzone, World War III, and Modern Warfare, and so on and so forth. It depends on you, then you have to click the game you prefer to. In my case, I would like to try the Call of Duty one and select that. And just select the server. We have here the manual and the automatic server, but for the best result, keep your route selection on automatic. This allows Exit Log to choose the fastest and most stable route to the game server. And next, enable the multi-path routing to improve connection stability and help reduce packet loss during matches. So for your route setting, use the TCP routes into 0 and UDP routes into 4. The route optimization will select into high and the multi-path routing is now enabled. After configuring the setting, click the apply routes and wait for the exit log to finish to optimize the connection. But if you're playing on different regions, try testing servers such as Singapore, Tokyo, or Hong Kong to see which one provides the lowest ping and most stable connections. And once the routes have been applied, launch Call of Duty and check your in-game network statistics. And you should notice that it has a fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother gameplay overall. Then keep in mind that exit lag can create true zero ping, but it can help you get the lowest possible latency by improving the route between your connection and the game servers. And that's it. You should now have a more stable and responsive Call of Duty experience. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, setup guides, and optimization tips. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Log with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up and on the description below. And thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.